Welcome back to the cryptowrld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now, this new warning signal just confirmed while price is still running into short-term resistance, which I'll talk about in just a moment, so definitely stick around. First of all, just giving you a quick update here on the 4-hour Bitcoin chart. And right now, the Bitcoin price is still trading at the top end of this range of resistance, which goes up towards around 16.9K. But as of right now, we haven't really seen a significant confirmed breakouts. We've mostly seen just candle wicks to the upside and some small candle closes just a few dollars above this resistance, but nothing really enough to call this a significant confirmed breakout as of right now, especially due to the fact that we're still seeing very low momentum in the 4-hour Bitcoin price oscillators. First of all, the 4-hour Bitcoin MACD is basically flat at the moment, looking extremely neutral here in the short term. And if you're looking at the 4-hour Bitcoin RSI, as of right now, we've actually formed one lower high and one lower low, which is technically slightly more bearish than bullish. And of course, while we're seeing lower highs in the RSI, we've seen higher highs in the Bitcoin price, which is of course a bearish divergence. I talked about this in my last video, but since my last video, this has now been confirmed. So this is an active bearish divergence here on the 4-hour Bitcoin chart, which basically means we're due to see reduced bullish momentum over the next 1 to 2 days. So basically here in the shorter term, I wouldn't really be expecting any significant bullish price action. And instead, over the next 1 to 2 days or so, I'd mostly be expecting either a bit more choppy sideways price action, if not a slight pullback. So basically, this type of price action just here is most likely what we will see over the next 1 to 2 days or so. But that doesn't necessarily mean that this short-term bullish trend is over, because we're still forming higher lows and higher highs in the Bitcoin price. It's just at the moment, in the more imminent short term, we've lost a lot of bullish momentum right now. And so basically, we're due to see a pause at the moment from this short-term bullish trend, but we could indeed continue this bullish trend later on, perhaps in a few days from now. And as for levels of support and resistance right now here in the short term, we do have some short-term support at around 16.7K, and obviously this resistance at approximately 16.9K, which if you're counting these candle wicks really goes up towards around 17,000, which is towards the top of this resistance just here. But if you're bringing out the Fibonacci retracement tool from this swing high down to this swing low, then based on these Fibonacci levels, we have some support once again at around 16.7K. We have this 38.2% Fibonacci level of resistance sitting at just above 17,000, which is actually where we've seen some rejections if you're looking at the candle wicks. And then we have the 50% level sitting at around 17.3K acting as resistance, and the golden pocket at around 17,500 up to around 17.6K. But anyway, now getting into the Ethereum part of this video, this right here is the 4-hour ETH to US dollar chart. And like I said in my last video, we're running into some short-term resistance at around 1270 to 1280, because this range of resistance starts at around 1280 based on these previous levels of resistance back here. But of course, if you're bringing out the Fibonacci retracement tool from swing high to swing low, we can see we have the golden pocket level of resistance sitting at around 1270 to 1280. So as for now, that is still the important resistance to pay attention to here in the shorter term. And as for support, we do have some short-term support at around 1240, but below that, we have some more support down towards around 1225. And just like I said for Bitcoin, if you're looking at the price action itself, technically we're still in a short-term bullish trend because we're still forming higher lows and higher highs as of right now. But if you're looking at the 4-hour Ethereum price oscillators, starting off with the MACD, this is showing almost no momentum here in the immediate short term, while the 4-hour Ethereum RSI is actually flashing a few bearish signals. For example, right now, it's actually forming a head and shoulders pattern, which is technically a bearish pattern here in the RSI. And on top of that, we also have an active bearish divergence in play right now here on the 4-hour ETH to US dollar charts, because obviously we have higher highs in the price and now lower highs cemented in place here in the 4-hour Ethereum RSI. And so, like I said in my last video, this means that we're due to see reduced bullish momentum in the shorter term, as in over the next 1 to 2 days. And so far, since this bearish divergence has confirmed, this is exactly what we have been seeing, mostly sideways price action with a very slight pullback. So once again, I wouldn't be expecting any significant bullish price action over the next 1 to 2 days, and most likely price action similar to this right here. And now, if you want to know how to make money in crypto, no matter if the price is going to the upside or to the downside or simply chopping around sideways, then make sure to check out these videos popping up right here on your screen. The video in the top left is a complete step-by-step tutorial showing you how to trade crypto, whether the price goes up or down, and the video in the bottom left shows you how to make money in crypto if the price is chopping around sideways. But anyway, that's everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.